This video will cover adding travel card expenses to an expense report. Travel card expenses that have been downloaded into the Concur travel and expense system from the bank need to be included in your expense report. The first step was to create your expense report by completing the report header. Now it is time to add expenses to your expense report. You may need to click the Import Expenses link along the top of your expense report to display your card expenses on the right side of your screen. Check the box next to the expense or expenses you would like to add to this expense report. Then use the Move menu to select to Current Report. The expense is now assigned to the expense report and appears on the left side of the screen. Select an expense to add or edit the information associated with it. The right side of the screen changes to display the information associated with the selected expense. Use the expense type drop-down to select the appropriate type. The right side of the screen again changes based on the expense type selected. The expense type determines what information is required and therefore which fields appear. Refer to the video Overview of Adding Expenses for guidance on the standard expense fields and exceptions. All travel card expenses, except for individual travel meals and tolls, will require a receipt. To attach the receipt, click the Attach Receipt button. Click the Browse button to upload a receipt that's been scanned to your computer, or select an image of the receipt you have uploaded from the Concur mobile app. Then attach the image of the receipt to your expense. You will now see a tab for the receipt image. If all the required information has been added to this expense, click the Save button. Repeat this for every expense added to your expense report. You have now added travel card expenses to your expense report.